In today's video, I will teach you how to change clothes and photos using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the Fotor AI photo editor. On the homepage or editor, you can either drag and drop your image into the workspace or click the Open Image button to browse and upload from your device. On the left side panel, click on the AI Tools tab. Then scroll down until you find the AI Clothes Changer and click it to open the panel. Now we're going to choose a clothing type. On the panel, you'll see 3 clothing options: tops, bottoms, and full outfits. Now simply pick one that best suits the part of your outfit that you want to change in your image. Now, you have 2 ways to change clothing. The first is the recommended mode. Here, you can select from predefined clothing styles provided by Fotor, so just pick your favorite. The second is custom mode, where you can write a specific and creative prompt. The more detailed the prompt, the better the result. Once you're set, click the Generate button, and this process takes about 20 seconds to a minute, and it costs 2 credits per generation. An optional step is refining the result. If you're not happy with the first try, you can click Generate More to create new variations with the same input. Then use the Compare button at the bottom right to see how your new outfit looks versus the original. And once you're satisfied, click the Download button to save your updated look. Whether you're planning an outfit, exploring a new style, or creating fun edits, Fotor's AI Clothes Changer makes it super easy to visualize different fashion looks on any photo. No Photoshop skills required. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.